Ever found yourself fumbling in the dark, wishing for a flashlight that's truly bright, portable, and easy to use? The handheld LED Torchlight delivers 500 lumens of powerful illumination, making it perfect for everything from car repairs to camping trips. It's compact and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere without hassle. Whether you're working under the hood or lighting up your backyard, this torchlight gives you exactly the light you need. No cords, no bulky gear. What sets this LED flashlight apart is its hands-free design. It features a swivel hook for hanging, a magnetic base that sticks securely to any metallic surface, and a wide base that stands firmly on flat surfaces. That means you can position the light exactly where you want it, freeing up your hands for the task at hand. Battery operated with 3Ah batteries, it's ready to go whenever and wherever you need it. From plumbing fixes in tight spaces to late-night camping adventures, this torchlight is built to perform. I first discovered this light about 4 years ago, and it quickly became my go-to for power outages and outdoor activities. The original unit still works like a champ, shining brighter than any other flashlight I've owned. After searching everywhere for a replacement, I was thrilled to find it available online. Now, I have 4 of these lights strategically placed around my home, each ready to grab in an instant. They're far easier to use than traditional flashlights and provide consistent, bright light that covers an entire room or backyard. If you're tired of struggling with dim, unreliable flashlights, this handheld LED torchlight is worth a look. It's not just bright, it's versatile, durable, and designed with real-world needs in mind. Plus, it comes from Handheld, a trusted brand known for innovative, quality products since 1994. Whether for emergencies, everyday tasks, or outdoor fun, this torchlight delivers dependable light where and when you need it most. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your lighting game.